Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share your shopping cart on Amazon. This is a great feature when you want to get someone's opinion on items you're planning to purchase, or if you're coordinating a group buy with family or friends. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, you'll see the familiar Amazon homepage with all its features ready to use. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the toolbar that contains several important options. Click on the cart icon. This will take you directly to your shopping cart where all your selected items are stored and waiting for checkout. Now here's where things get interesting. If you only want to share a specific item from your cart rather than everything you've added, look to the upper left panel of the cart page. You'll see an option that says Deselect All Items. Click on this option. This action clears all the current selections, allowing you to handpick exactly which item you want to share without including the rest of your cart contents. Once you've deselected everything, navigate to the specific cart item you want to share. You'll notice a share button positioned right beside the item. Go ahead and click on this share button. This opens up the sharing functionality that Amazon provides for its users. After clicking share, you'll be presented with several convenient sharing options. Amazon gives you multiple ways to distribute your cart link depending on your preference and who you're sharing with. You can choose to share via email, which is perfect for sending directly to someone's inbox. There's also the option to share on Pinterest, Facebook, or X, which is ideal if you want to share with your social media followers or get feedback from a wider audience. Alternatively, if you prefer more flexibility, you can simply click Copy Link. This copies the URL link of your shopping cart item to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it anywhere you like, whether that's in a text message, a chat app, or any other platform. Select whichever option works best for your needs from the list presented. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share items from your Amazon shopping cart, giving you an easy way to collaborate on purchases or get input from others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.